Hi, I'm McKenna with Tangerine Salon, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do beach waves on yourself. So this morning, after I washed my hair, I put in some of the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair for heat protector. I also put in some of the Texture Tonic to give it some like that messier, beachy look so it's not all smooth. And then after I style my hair, I'm gonna put some of the Shampure dry shampoo in my hair to give it a little extra texture and beachiness. And then I'm gonna finish off with some air control for a good hold. So just recently I've added 2 bags of 16-inch for more extensions. So my hair's a little longer than normal, but it can be achieved with shorter hair. I did it all the time. So I'm gonna start with sectioning my hair right behind the ear. I'm gonna clip this up. So today I'm gonna be using a 1-inch barrel. You can use bigger, but I always keep a 1-inch barrel and a straightening iron on. So if you do over curl it, you can kind of go back and straighten some pieces out. So to start, I kind of just smooth through the whole thing, and I always go away from my face, leaving about like this much hair out, and then take it and just smooth it out through the bottom. And then once you do that, then you can kind of come towards your face a little bit. So this one I'll take towards my face. And then these little hairs in front, I don't want to curl too much, just kind of give them a little bend. So after that top layer, I kind of go side to side, and I'll just kind of part a little bit of this off, and then clip this back up. All that hair, my clips won't hold it anymore. Take this. I don't want to hold it too long because I don't want it to get too curly, more of just a wave. Now I'll take a section from this side, and I'll just leave kind of this last top layer pinned up because I want to make this one a little bit more extra. Okay, this last section I part in the middle. I'm just going to take this and part it on both sides. I'm going to still leave this back section pinned up though.
Is it awkward to do it watching?
Oh my gosh. This morning making eggs, I was trying to, and this is how you whip them. Okay, so before I brush all of this out, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Aveda dry shampoo. Just section it. Put some up here. A little bit on this side. Then I'm gonna take my wet brush and just brush through it all. And then after is when I just kind of take my straightener and some of these like really curly pieces, I just kind of run over, and then definitely on the ends. And I'm just gonna take some hairspray. Voila, easy peasy. And there you have it, I just left the beach.